project name is solar powered irrigation system. In this system, the groundwater from the lower levels of the earth layers are taken out and pumped to the agricultural fields. This is a motor which lifts the water and supplies water to the plants. This is the solar panel. The solar panel, whenever the solar panel is exposed to sunlight, it starts glowing. Now you can see that there is a red light glowing since there is a sunlight available. Now in this system, the water is pumped. The way to pump the water is like this. This is the pump and this is the battery and this is the switch available here. You can switch on the switch to start pumping the water. This is the outlet. Outlet should be connected to the plants. The inlet should be connected inside the tank. Now let us see how the water comes. Press this button slightly, the motor starts operating. Okay, now you can see the water is flowing, water is coming out. Now I momentarily switch on the motor, then switch off. Otherwise the project gets damaged because of the water leakage. Okay, the water is well protected inside this container, but you should be careful in handling the water. This is how the solar powered irrigation system works.